Hey, I am Larry from Certified Code. In this tutorial, I will show you how to take payments with Square Pay button. First, go to your Wix dashboard or site editor and head to App Market. Search Square Pay button and click on the first result with the exact same name. Then, hit Add to Site and review the permission required. Once you've read the terms and agree to that, check the box and click Agree to Add. You're almost there. Now go to the editor to add the Square Pay button to your site. Click Add to Site, and you will see the widget is added to the home page. The widget has 4 major components: custom amount input, pay button, and error message. They are editable, just like other elements in the editor. You can resize the widget and make changes to the elements to fit your brand. The widget is automatically styled with your site theme, while you can have full freedom to customize it the way you want. Now, it's the time to set it up. Select the Pay button element. Click Settings. For instance, I am selling my food, so I will name the product as Food. I would like to set a fixed price of $22, and the currency should be United States dollars. So I will set the currency as USD. Next, I would like to redesign inputs to fit my site theme. I can update the design for the input fields and error messages in a few clicks. Once the changes are made, publish the site and visit the live site. Currently, checkout in the site preview is not available. Simply click on Pay, and the site visitors can see the checkout page. As we can see, the checkout is in test mode. To accept live payments, it is recommended to upgrade Square Pay button to Premium version so you can take payments online. You can click the Upgrade button in the app panel or go to the site dashboard and head to Square Pay button. Enable the live payments functionality by entering your Square Production Access token by following the prompt on the screen. If you need help, contact our support team through the chat in app. To upgrade the app, click Accept Online Payments button in purple and follow the prompt on screen to view the price and plan features. Using Square Pay button is easy and fully customizable to fit any use cases with seamless integration, the rest of your site elements. See you in the next video.